All right, go ahead and give this one a try. Store's giving away $5 gift cards to every 9th customer and $20 gift cards to every 15th customer. What number customer is the first to receive both a $5 and $20 gift card? Aiden? All right, if you are using a calculator, whenever it asks you the first time something happens or the next time something happens, that's least common multiple. So you can hit the math button, you can do LCM, I forget if it's first or second, GCD, greatest common factor is the other one, so. And then you just put in the two numbers separated by a comma and hit enter. Comma's right there to the left of the 4. Okay, so obviously that's the easy way, right? The calculator does it for you. If, because you could get this on the calculator inactive, all you have to do is list out the numbers. So if person 9 gets a gift card, who's the next person to get a $5 one? Person what? 18, then 27, 36, 45. I ran out of space, but we already know that's all I need. Then for the $20 gift cards, it's 15, and then we got 30, and then we got 45, and that is what we're looking for, is where we get a matching number. It doesn't have to match up that like number in the order, it's just the number has to match, okay? Questions on that? Those should be fairly easy problems to do as long as you remember what you're supposed to do. Whether it's with a calculator, without a calculator, if you know what to do, should be super easy. Without a calculator, that still ain't that tough. A shipment has, that of should not be there, has 1,412 potatoes. The potatoes are being put into bags that hold 24 potatoes. How many full bags will there be? I don't even know what that was supposed to have said. A shipment of potatoes has potatoes? Yeah. Nelly? 58 is correct. This would probably have been an inactive question, but all you're doing is you're taking the 1412 there and dividing it by 24. So 24 doesn't go into 1, doesn't go into 14, goes into 141 5 times. Bring down our 2, goes into 212 8 times. We got a remainder. Yesterday we did one where the remainder was part of the problem. How many full bags, that's just the whole number. Okay? All right, let's try one last one, a little trickier. Fast gas is charging $3.95 per gallon of gas. Jiffy Gas is charging $3.80 per gallon of gas. Mr. Smith is going to put 13.4 gallons in his car. What is the difference between the total cost at Fast Gas and the total cost at Jiffy Gas? Oliver, $2.01 is correct. All right, there are a couple ways you could do this. Well, one, again, this is probably something that actually would be on the inactive, but there's two ways you can really do this. You could take $3.95 and multiply by 13.4. and $3.80 and multiply by 13.4, and once you have those answers, subtract. How many of you did that? Most of y'all. The other way to do this does the same type of math, just in a different order. So if you subtract first, you get the difference per gallon, not times. So our difference per gallon is 15 cents. Then I can take the 13.4 and multiply by my 15 cents. Should have been a 7. And we got 3 digits, so decimal goes there. That 0 doesn't matter since it's money, and we get that 201. Okay? Any questions on that? If you saw a similar question on the calculator inactive, this way is probably a little bit easier, because multiplying is probably where you're more likely to make a mistake. So this keeps it with smaller numbers that you're multiplying, like less digits, but also it makes it so you're only multiplying the one time. Any questions on that? So obviously both ways would work though.